Hey Realm Builders! We've just rolled out Update 0.6.3, and it's packed with exciting new features and improvements. Let's dive into this latest version and create an amazing island together. Let's start by creating island edges. It's now a breeze with the introduction of jagged coastline variations. You no longer need to manually craft the edges. What used to be a time-consuming process is now quick and effortless, giving your islands a natural and dynamic look right out of the box. Now, let's create a river. It now seamlessly connects to lakes and coastlines, making your maps flow beautifully with realistic, natural transitions. Now, let's create a small city on this island using city walls. The wall tool has received some serious upgrades. Now, whenever city roads and paths intersect with your walls, gates are auto-generated. No more awkward gaps or manual adjustments. It's easier than ever to build a fortified city that feels alive and connected. Now, let's set up some mountains, add clusters of trees, and fill in every detail of the island, quickly and easily, thanks to the improved tools and performance upgrades. Whether you're shaping untamed wilderness or building a thriving island city, every step feels smooth and satisfying. So take your time, explore, and bring your realm to life in Master of Realms version 0.6.3.